Right, November 2015, question 9.4. Cubic functions. Explain the significance of the change in question 9.3 with respect to h. So there 9.3 we solve concavity, showing where the graph changes from concave up to concave down. So in a nutshell, we basically found a point of inflection. So 9.4, see there we solved that previously. So 9.4, the graph of h has a point of inflection at x equal to half. Or we can say the graph of h changes from concave up to concave down at x equal to a half. Right, 9.5, determine the value of x, given that x is less than 0, so this answer must be negative, at which the tangent to h is parallel to g. So the tangent of h is parallel to g. The gradient of g there you can see is minus 12, so when you say parallel, that gradient there must also equal minus 12. Remember, first derivative gives us gradient or tangent. Alright, so gradient of g is minus 12. So gradient of the tangent, we find the first derivative, which is minus 3x squared plus 3x plus 6. So there on the top we did it. See, from there we work to there, 3 times negative 1, etc. Right? So that first derivative should equal minus 12. So now I say that equal negative 12, remember it's gradient. So from there, 3x squared minus 3x plus 18 if I bring 12 across. Divide by 3 across the board. Left with x squared, x 18 divided by 3 is 6. Factors of 6 that add up to minus 1. Right, now here's an error here. Because they have minus 1, minus 3 times positive 2 gives me negative 6. Alright, you see there the problem here. Negative 6, so therefore the minus 3x plus 2x is minus 1, and we've solved it as x equal negative 2 only. So here was a typo error in the memo. Right, but hope you follow, hope you understand, you know how to factorize. So that should be rectified. Right, all the best, God bless, bye.